We got him. All right, shotgun.
The ring's moving.
All right, we good. Let me show you guys this stuff then. Here's normal fire rate, okay? I'm gonna shoot 3 shots. Okay, this is fast fire rate. And I can do it in combat every time, no fails. 100% success rate. Basically, the only way to cancel pump and not lose time is to reload. So what you do is you shoot, reload, and then swap weapons back and forth. That's what you do. Shoot, reload, swap weapons back and forth. So my buttons I press is shoot, reload, 3-1. I don't want to fight with that shotgun here. Oh, here we go. If they pushed me.
I'm a broke.
They're all so low, dude. Yeah, I'll show you again, Fenner. It's shoot, reload, swap weapons back and forth. So for me, I'm clicking shoot R31. That's all I'm doing. R31
Eyes are open now.
after reloading. I swear I can't look away for 2 seconds without you finding